Have you ever pondered on the unseen world that exists all around us, teeming with life and playing a crucial role in our existence? Welcome to the fascinating realm of microbiology, an essential scientific discipline that delves into the study of the smallest yet immensely significant life forms on Earth, the microorganisms. This invisible world is an intricate tapestry woven from countless tiny threads of life, threads too minute to be seen by the naked eye, yet powerful enough to shape the world as we know it. Microbiology is, in essence, the exploration of this invisible world. It's a journey into the heart of life's smallest wonders, the microscopic organisms that inhabit every corner of our planet. From the air we breathe, the food we eat, to the ground we walk on, microorganisms are everywhere, silently shaping the world around us. So what are these microorganisms? They are a diverse group of minute life forms that include bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae, and protozoa. Some are single-celled, while others are complex multicellular organisms. They are invisible to us, yet they are the masters of survival, thriving in a variety of environments, from the hottest deserts to the coldest poles, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. But why is microbiology important? Why do we need to study these invisible life forms? Well, the answer is simple. They are integral to our existence. From recycling nutrients in the environment to aiding digestion in our guts, microorganisms play a myriad of roles that sustain life on Earth. They are also key players in biotechnology, aiding in the production of food, medicines, and energy. However, not all microorganisms are our friends. Some are notorious for causing diseases in plants, animals, and humans. Understanding these harmful microorganisms and finding ways to combat them is another crucial aspect of microbiology. So, how did we come to know about this invisible world? Let's delve into the history of microbiology. The journey of unveiling the microscopic life started in the 17th century, a time when the world was ripe for exploration in all its vastness, and yet it was the smallest of things that held the most intriguing secrets. A whole new universe laid hidden right under our noses, invisible to the naked eye. It was Antony van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch tradesman and scientist who first peeked into this concealed world. With a homemade microscope crafted with skill and patience, he discovered what he called animalcules, minute organisms swimming in a drop of water. His curiosity, determination, and innovation birthed the field of microbiology, changing the course of science forever. As the centuries rolled on, the microscope evolved, and so did our understanding of the microscopic world. The 19th century saw another pivotal moment in the history of microbiology with the advent of the germ theory. This revolutionary idea, proposed by Louis Pasteur, asserted that diseases were caused by microorganisms, contradicting the prevalent miasma theory that attributed illnesses to bad air. Pasteur's work was groundbreaking, but it wasn't without its skeptics. It was the meticulous research of Robert Koch that provided the empirical evidence needed to cement germ theory's place in scientific canon. Koch's postulates, a set of guidelines to determine whether a disease is caused by a specific microorganism, are still used today as a foundation for microbial research and disease diagnosis. The work of these pioneers paved the way for countless advancements in health, agriculture, and environmental science. Their discoveries led to the development of antibiotics, vaccines, and even pasteurization, a process named after Louis Pasteur himself, which has saved countless lives by making our food safer. What started as a curious look into a droplet of water unfolded into a profound understanding of the microscopic world and its immense impact on our lives. The discoveries of these great minds gave us a new perspective on life and disease. And remember, as we continue to delve deeper into the microcosmos, we are merely standing on the shoulders of the giants who came before us. The discoveries of these great minds gave us a new perspective on life and disease. As we stepped into the 20th century, microbiology took a giant leap. The dawn of the 20th century brought about a series of breakthroughs that revolutionized the field of microbiology. During this time, scientists began to probe deeper into the world of microbes, leading to discoveries that would change the course of human history. One of the most significant advancements was the development of antibiotics. Prior to the 20th century, infectious diseases were often a death sentence. But in the 1920s, the discovery of penicillin, the first true antibiotic by Alexander Fleming, changed everything. This marked the beginning of the antibiotic era, and since then a variety of antibiotics have been developed to combat various bacterial diseases. Around the same time, another monumental discovery was taking shape: the discovery of DNA. In the early 1950s, James Watson and Francis Crick unveiled the structure of DNA, the blueprint of life. This discovery not only revealed how genetic information is stored and transmitted from one generation to the next, but also set the stage for the development of genetic engineering and biotechnology. The birth of molecular biology in the mid-20th century was another pivotal moment. This new field of study combined principles of genetics and biochemistry to investigate the molecules that make up and regulate life. It provided us with the tools to manipulate and understand the very essence of life at a molecular level. These discoveries were not isolated events. They were the result of a collective effort by countless scientists working tirelessly in their labs, driven by their curiosity and determination to unravel the mysteries of the microbial world. These advancements have not only increased our understanding of life, but also revolutionized medicine and healthcare. Antibiotics have saved millions of lives, DNA has given us unprecedented control over the genetic material, and molecular biology continues to push the boundaries of what we know about life. So, as we journey further into the world of microbiology, let's appreciate the scientists of the past who paved the way, and let's look forward to what the future might hold. These advancements have not only increased our understanding of life, but also revolutionized medicine and healthcare. Now let's talk about the present day. What's happening in the world of microbiology? Today, the world of microbiology is buzzing with excitement and innovation. There are two key areas of advancement that are truly revolutionizing the field: genomics and metagenomics. Genomics, the study of all the genes in an organism, is transforming our understanding of microorganisms. By mapping out the entire genetic makeup of bacteria, viruses, and other microscopic life forms, scientists are gaining new insights into how these tiny creatures operate. This knowledge is being used to develop more effective treatments for diseases caused by microorganisms, and to engineer beneficial bacteria that can be used in everything from food production to waste management. Then there's metagenomics, a cutting-edge branch of genomics that involves studying the collective genome of microbial communities. This approach allows scientists to investigate the complex interactions between different microorganisms and between microbes and their environments. By understanding these interactions, we can start to appreciate the crucial role that microorganisms play in maintaining the health of our planet and all its inhabitants. Of course, we can't talk about microbiology today without mentioning its role in understanding and fighting infectious diseases like COVID-19. Microbiologists have been at the front line of the battle against this pandemic, working tirelessly to understand the virus, develop effective vaccines, and track new variants. Their work has saved countless lives and continues to be vital in our ongoing efforts to control the virus. And it's not just about COVID-19. Microbiologists are also using their skills and knowledge to combat other infectious diseases, from malaria to tuberculosis, and to prevent future pandemics by studying emerging pathogens and how they spread. So, whether it's delving into the genetic code of bacteria, exploring the intricate web of microbial communities, or fighting deadly viruses, microbiologists are making groundbreaking discoveries every day. Indeed, microbiology continues to be at the forefront of scientific discovery, shaping our future. So what does the future hold for microbiology? Well, the possibilities are vast and incredibly exciting. One of the most promising frontiers in microbiology is the exploration of microbiomes. These are the communities of microorganisms that live in and on us, in the soil, in the oceans, and just about everywhere else. By understanding these microbiomes, we could revolutionize everything from medicine to agriculture. Imagine a future where we manipulate our gut microbiome to prevent diseases, or engineer soil microbiomes to enhance crop growth. Then, there's synthetic biology, where we're not just studying microorganisms, but designing and building them. The implications are mind-boggling. We could engineer bacteria to produce biofuels, clean up oil spills, or manufacture drugs. Synthetic biology could be a game-changer in the fight against climate change and energy scarcity. And speaking of climate change, microbiology has a crucial role to play there too. Microorganisms are pivotal in the Earth's carbon cycle, and understanding their role could help us mitigate the effects of climate change. Perhaps we could harness the power of microbes to capture and store carbon dioxide, or to produce renewable energy. But the future of microbiology isn't confined to Earth. It stretches out into the vast expanse of space. Microbiology will be integral to our exploration of other planets. Could there be life on Mars or Europa? If there is, it's likely to be microbial. And here's another thought. How will microorganisms behave in the microgravity of space? Could we use them to produce food or recycle waste on long space voyages? The future of microbiology is a tapestry woven with threads of potential. It's a future bursting with promise, filled with challenges to overcome and mysteries to solve. It's a future that could reshape our world and take us to the stars. As we continue to explore the invisible world of microorganisms, who knows what exciting discoveries await us? Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. We embarked on a journey into the invisible world, unveiling the microscopic life forms that surround us. We delved into the history of microbiology, a field that has revolutionized our understanding of life and disease. We saw how the advent of modern techniques has enabled us to study these microorganisms in unprecedented detail, leading to numerous advancements in areas like medicine, agriculture, and environmental science. In fact, today's microbiology is a vibrant field, continuously evolving to meet the challenges of an ever-changing world. We also glimpsed into the future, where the potential of microbiology is boundless. From developing new antibiotics to combating climate change, there's so much more to discover. Remember, the more we understand the microscopic world, the more we can appreciate how it shapes our macroscopic world. Until next time, keep exploring.